GreenPatch, the high-performance cold mix asphalt, is a permanent repair product. It is DOT approved, VOC compliant, and ready to use right out of the bag. First, prepare the application area by sweeping away any loose debris. Next, pour GreenPatch directly into the repair area. Compact GreenPatch every 2 inches. Repeat steps 2 and 3 as necessary. After steps 2 and 3 have been completed, leave a 1/2 inch crown on top of the repair area for further compaction. After completing the installation steps, GreenPatch permanently repairs the road damage and is ready for open traffic. GreenPatch, paving the way to go green.